The World Cup kicks off today in Russia. For those of you who may not know how big this soccer tournament is, let's just say it's the most widely watched sporting event in the world. With that said, we thought we'd share a Russian favorite that has worldwide appeal. It's called Piroshki, and our easy version goes together like this. We start by sauteing some shredded cabbage with a chopped onion until it's tender. Once it is, we set it aside, and in the same skillet, we brown some ground beef, making sure we break up any clumps. At this point, we add the cabbage mixture back into the skillet, along with some dill, garlic powder, and a little salt and pepper. While this cools for a sec, we separate a package of refrigerated biscuits and gently split each one in half before flattening them on a cutting board. Now we spoon some of the beef and cabbage mixture onto the center of the dough, fold the dough over it, and seal the edges, creating sort of a half moon. Then we fry them until they puff up and turn golden. There you have it, a Russian specialty that's flaky on the outside and filled with meaty goodness on the inside. To get the recipe for these Russian piroshkis, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a winning way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.